That's a good fish. Let's do a quick update since things are changing on the river a little. Vaal Dam is at up to 109%. The inflow into the Vaal Dam is at 840 cubic meters per second. The outflow is currently at 700. They're going to increase that to 1,200 cubic meters per second. Bloemhof is at 99.7%. Inflow is currently 350, but that 1,200 from Vaal Dam is on its way to Bloemhof. The current outflow out of Bloemhof is 400 cubic meters per second, but they will increase it. They're saying over 200, adding 200 cubic meters per day to the outflow, up to 1,000 cubic meters per second. So coming downstream from the Bloemhof Dam is about 1,000 cubic meters per second. Preemptive lowering of the dam levels to create some capacity for that increased water flow coming into the dam. Then Gariep Dam is still at 95%. Inflow is at 260 cubic meters per second. Outflow is about 80 going into Van der Kloof. Van der Kloof is at 90% with an outflow of 114 cubic meters per second. So that increased flow, let me just show you this. So that increase in flow should reach Prieska. I've seen predictions of around the 20th of November. And Uppington around the 22nd of November. I don't see much of an increase above that 1,000 for now. The weather forecast for the area overall looks like, I'm talking about the catchment area, overall looks like nowhere more than about 30 millimeters in a week cumulative. So hopefully that persists and give the dams and the river some time to flow. And hopefully this preemptive action by the department also continues into the rest of the season. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on it and I'll keep you updated. See you on the next one. Cheers.